Playboy, 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 playboy.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Glamorous Nessa, and I'm back with another video. So today I will be showing you guys how to achieve this look. Hair is from Unice hair. This hair is from Unice hair. I'm gonna close it. Okay, so this hair is from Unice hair. It's the Bet You series. This hair did come in 2 days, and it's an affordable price for the quality of it. I really enjoy these curls. This is supposed to be a kinky curly, but I'm getting more like a loose curl type of, I mean, I guess it's kinky, but it's like a different type of curl, you know. I really like that. So yes, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I've already did my ball cap. I haven't put my foundation on. I did nick myself when I was cutting it with my razor, but ain't nobody gonna die. It'll go away. So yes, so let me go ahead and put my foundation on my wig cap so that it can match my complexion, so that it becomes a ball cap. Okay, so that's like totally good enough. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I did also pluck my wig, so it did not come this way. When you put foundation on your cap, it's necessary to help like match your forehead, the rest of your body. So now I'm just gonna take my, let me get my cotton balls. So I'm just gonna take my alcohol and I'm gonna take my cotton ball, and I'm gonna clean around this wig cap, because I'm sure it has like residue from my freeze spray, and then of course me just putting foundation on. Yeah, be sure we don't wipe our eyebrows off. And I have like really long sideburns, so like every time I put my wig caps on, one side is always uneven, because I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know if I haven't mastered that yet, but it's really annoying. But I love my sideburns because they be looking laid and stuff. But that's like a downfall of it. You want to be sure like you clean it really good, because this is preparing your forehead for the glue, so that you can lay a wig. We done preparing our surface for, we've done preparing our forehead and stuff. So now we're gonna take the wig, okay? And then it has adjustable straps, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it to my liking. And then we're gonna put it on. So basically, so once you got your wig on, you're gonna wanna take some air spun, take your top off, take your air spun, and then you're gonna take your whatever type of brush that you have, and then you're gonna take that and you're gonna dip it in the air spun. And basically you wanna like put your wig to the point where it's like wherever it gets thicker, you know what I'm saying? So when you take this off, you should have some dots on your forehead. So this basically gives you an outline of where you need to put the glue. So I did in front of the hairline of the wig. So now I'm just gonna go behind the hairline, because of course, like, you don't want to mix like your makeup with the glue, because of course it's gonna cause it not to stick. So now you want to take like a flat whatever. I'm gonna just use my eyebrow razor end, and then I'm gonna just flatten it out. So now you starting to see that it's kind of like fading into a clear color. So you want to go ahead and add your other two coats, but in between you want to make sure that it turns somewhat clear, and then you add the next coat. So I'm gonna add two more layers, and then we're gonna start applying the wig.
But I'm classy, rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kill my
Y'all, my birthday is in 2 days, and I'm like so excited. So this is my birthday hair. Y'all probably won't see this video until after my birthday, or like, yeah, y'all not gonna see this video until after my birthday, but it will be before my birthday vlog. So I'm really excited. I'm turning 20, you know. I'm freaking excited, you know, grown folk, period, Dove Club, everything, you know what I'm saying? We about to be lit, but yes, like, girl, I get my nails done tomorrow. I'm super excited. My toes too. Girl, these things look a hot mess. Like, y'all just don't understand. This quarantine has been putting me through, like, but thank God I know how to do hair. Oh, let me go ahead and put, I'm over here talking, I'm about to miss my, to put my third layer. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head. Ooh, baby. And so I'm gonna use my my comb to like press the glue into the lace. Okay, so I really don't know where this camera stopped my video, because I got a call and then it just stopped my video. So I'm just still cutting around, trying to get all the areas where the lace is showing. I mean, I'm trying to get all the areas where I need to cut more of the lace off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut around my ear. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know where it stopped, so yeah. So I am going in with my Morphe palette. I am using girl. Okay, so I am using this color right here to like put on the what is this? To put on the lace to kind of hide it some more, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, hopefully to like blend it and make it match my skin tone a little bit more. I didn't put it on before because I kind of forgot. I don't know, I just got sidetracked. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow to fill in my lace. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. So now we are about to focus on the middle part so it can be popping tang, you know what I'm saying? I know I used this on my other part, so a different color, but whatever. Now I'm gonna leave my baby hairs and I'm gonna be using my wet line. So, and we're gonna put some on these areas right there. And then we're gonna take our toothbrush, our baby hairbrush. We're gonna push this back like that, okay? And then you're gonna take the hairs that you did pull out, you're gonna take those and gonna make some baby hairs. And then we're gonna pull them out from the side. Okay, so we're gonna take our wet line. We're gonna take our wet line and then we're gonna put that on there. And then we just gonna do the same to the other side. So this is the finished look. It came out really cute. I really love it. Super excited. I really love the bushiness of it, so I'm not gonna tame it with any water or anything. I'm just gonna leave it as is. So this is my hairline. I mean, I know you can see my legs because we up close, but it's really plucked really good. It's a 13x6 wig, and it came in 2 days actually. I really love that about this hair because I needed it ASAP. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, see y'all later. Bye.
Playboy, 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 playboy.